Hi, I'm Linda, and this is George. We're really happy you could join us today. Very often, George leaves me something in this basket to do with stories or songs. So let's peek in and see if he's left me something today. Just to hold a sec, George. Oh, look at this. There's a book in here with a lion. One yellow lion. George, this is lovely. It's one of my favorite books, actually. One Yellow Lion by Matthew Van Fleet. It's published by Penguin Books. Let's see if we can see this. Yes. One yellow. That's actually number one, and it is yellow. But look at this. If you lift the flap, of course, there's a lion. One yellow lion, just like the title of the book. And if you can spot this, how the author has made the number one from the lion's tail. Number two is white, and something from the animal kingdom that's white. Let's just see. Oh, swans. Two swans in the water. And you see how the two was made as part of the swan. Next number, of course, is 3. And here we have 3, and it's gray. And what could be? Yes, squirrels. 3 gray squirrels. One has a nut. Number 4 is red. Let's just see what. Oh, roosters. 4 red roosters. His elbow, the rooster's elbow makes part of the 4. Yes, number 5 is next, and it's blue. Are you guessing with me what could be blue in the animal kingdom? It's whales. 5 blue whales. 1 big, enormous whale, and 1, 2, 3, 4 little whales. 6 is black in this book, and it's cats. It looks like a mummy cat. And the baby cats. 7, purple. What could be purple? Oh, lizards. There's 7 purple lizards here. And look at part of the lizards. Make the 7. Have you ever thought of making your own book with art supplies? I'll bet you could do something like this with drawing and writing. 8, brown bears. Wouldn't it be nice to make a book like this to surprise people and show them? 8 brown bears. And this is number 9, and it's green. 9 green. What could it be? Oh, they're alligators. 9 green alligators. And the last number is 10. 10 pink worms. And this worm here makes the number 1 for 10. 1, 0 is 10. 10 pink worms. Well, that's fun. George, that was a very fun book, One Yellow Lion. Lovely. You know, I think I saw something else in that book, in the basket too. Let's just see, George. I think you've left me a few. Yes, you left me a box. Oh, and it sounds like there's something in the box too. Definitely. Oh, look at that. It's an elephant. An elephant. Nice. And I think I saw another. Yes, there's an elephant. One of your friends. There's an elephant in here too, George. That's sweet. This reminds me of a song. Look at this. With a big trunk and floppy ears, a wrinkly tummy. Should we sing the song? Okay. I think I'll put you maybe in here. You look like you're in the jungle, like the lions, with all the foliage. There he is. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. If you want to be an elephant, like that, pretend that your arm is part of your trunk, and you can sing, elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their trunks, on their trunks. On their ears, on their ears. On their tummies, on their tummies. Oh, 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 oh. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their trunks, on their trunks. On their ears, on their ears. On their tummies, on their tummies. Oh, 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 oh. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. Fun. Yes, you brought me a book about lions, and we had a song about elephants. Nice, George. Thank you very much. You sit here, and we'll say goodbye to everyone. I hope you have a lovely day and you get outside to play outside. We'll say bye to you. Bye. See you next time.